So this is a setup that was pretty similar to what was used to light many street lights and stuff like before Edison, and these just a simple art cap light. And so you have this half burned charred stick and a graphite rod. Ideally they use like something that produces much more current and a much lower voltage than this. So, but this produces similar effects, like, you know. Isn't as bright as it could be, but well, that's how bright as it can get. But there's another problem with this. You see, if I turn it on, you can see that arc gap is getting bigger and bigger because the thing is, the carbon rod is like getting degraded down by the high voltage. So before it was basically touching it. Now, as you can see, it's basically about 3 to 4 millimeters apart.